Hubstaff Tasks helps teams collaborate better through Agile. Here's how it works. Focus your team's efforts with sprints, short bursts of productive work. Here you'll be able to see all of your tasks prioritized in one place, and even tasks across the entire organization or by individual team member. You can also visualize your workflows with Kanban-Style project boards that give you a complete overview of everything that's going on. You can move tasks through lists so that everyone knows what's on their plate now and what's coming up next. Or click into a task and you'll see who's working on it, along with project descriptions, due dates, labels, checklists, and comments. Keep everything in one place, and you'll never have to send another just checking in email. Finally, Hubstaff Tasks adjusts to your workflows, not the other way around. Simply set up your process once, and you can move a task and assign it to the next person with the click of a button. And that's just the beginning. Get the full tour and sign up for Hubstaff Tasks today.